How to improve TikTok camera quality. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can improve your TikTok's camera quality, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to improve your TikTok's camera quality, all you have to do is go ahead and then basically open up your settings application here. Once you open settings, simply scroll down and then basically look for camera and then tap on it. Now at the very top you can see record video. I want you to set this to 4K at 30 FPS. Now if you scroll down you can see enhanced stabilization, and you can also make sure to turn on auto HDR video. After you've done that, you can just come back, and then what you want to do is you can also just go to record slow-mo, and then you can set this to 1080p at 240 FPS per second. Now after you've done that, you can just try opening the TikTok application here, and once you try opening TikTok, tap the plus icon and then just make sure to go ahead and then basically record a video over here. So you can just wrong press on it in order to hold and record a video. Once you go ahead and then record a video, just tap the little next option over here, and then here you'll find more options. When you tap on more options, you should be able to find allow high quality uploads here. So you want to make sure to turn this thing on that says allow high quality uploads, and then after you've done that, you should be able to find it and improve your camera quality on TikTok. This way you'll be able to improve camera quality on TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.